Hi friends, today we will show you 10 interesting and useful things for the health of your cat. We are sure that your cat will definitely be happy with these acquisitions. Look for links to all the products in the description below the video. In order not to miss our new videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell. For example, how do you like a bed with heating? Thanks to the internal warmer, your cat will comfortably watch everything happening outside the window. If necessary, the warmer could be removed or simply not connected to the mains. The bed could be attached to a windowsill of any size with ease. It has a removable cover that is convenient for washing, as well as a removable back. So, if suddenly your cat does not like the back, then you can easily unfasten it. If a heated bed is not enough for your pet, we found a cozy house with heating. And for its assembly, you don't even need any tools. It's pretty simple. You just need to raise the walls, secure the roof, and put in the heated pillow. And thanks to the pass-through door, your cat does not have to spin to get out of the house to hunt. With the next gadget, you can forget about cleaning the cat's litter box for a few weeks. Yes, it exists, a self-cleaning litter box. Special sensors detect when a cat comes and goes away, and 20 minutes after visiting, the litter box begins the cleaning cycle. By the way, the filler from the kit not only removes unpleasant odors, but also does not stick to the paws of your cat. In short, forget about the scoop with this litter box. Just change the disposable tray for waste and that's all. The litter box does everything by itself. For care of fluffy pets, you definitely need a quality Furminator of stainless steel. With it, you can get rid of dead fur and undercoat during molting and not to let it get into the stomach of your pet or on your clothes or carpet. There is a button on the Furminator that will allow you to easily remove the fur and continue the combing procedure. You need to choose the model that will suit your pet based on the length of its fur. It is recommended to use this Furminator once a week and use a normal brush for combing hair the other days. The next useful gadget is a stylish automatic drinking bowl with a filter for your cat. When they first get acquainted with the drinking bowl, a kitten will probably start to play with the stream of water, but then he will appreciate the convenience of this gadget. The drinking bowl reminds you need to replace the filter or fill it with water. Also, there are two modes of operation, with periodic disconnection of the fountain and with continuous operation. If your cat likes to go outside, this door will be a good gift for him. The peculiarity of this door is that it will only let your cat enter the house. This is due to the identification chip of your cat or a special chip on their collar, which is sold separately. The chip is red and triggers a key, unlocking the door for your cat and for 39 of his friends. After all, you can add up to 40 different chips to the memory. Another thing with a microchip is an automatic bowl. This is especially suitable for those who have a lot of pets and they are constantly stealing food from each other. Now, no one will go hungry. The glass lid will keep the food fresh if your cat is not eating everything, and it will open for the owner of the bowl only. Multifunction Bee is a very exciting toy for your cat. It will not only entertain your pet with a mad bee that will rush from side to side, but play with your cat that famous game, Catch the Red Dot. Yes, this toy has a laser, but this is not the most interesting thing. The toy has a compartment for food, and it will be more interesting for your cat after active hunting especially. Another unusual toy for your cat is a home mini plantation with grass. Within a few days, a cat can observe the growth of grass, and then comes the time of fun and useful grass eating. Special bases with seeds for this bowl are sold separately, and it does not contain dirt. Also, this miracle bowl has a special design for fast and high-quality growth of this herbal delicacy. It is an interesting and useful toy, is it not? What do you think about a fitness trainer for your cat? This wheel will train all the muscles of your pet, and no one will be able to compare to him. Thanks to a special coating, his paws will not slip during cardio training, and your cat will get not only pleasure, but a health benefit from this exercise. Just look how he is trying to move up. By the way, a favorite delicacy stimulates such exercises perfectly. Write in the comments what is your cat's favorite toy and what he would definitely like from today's selection. See you soon.